Hi, my name is Gogontlejang Phaladi. I'm 16 years old. I'm a radio presenter. I'm here to audition for being a TV host. I'm talkative, enthusiastic, and I always have something to say. And I feel being a TV host will be something that I can fit into perfectly. And New York will just be the right place for me to explore my possibilities. Once again, Gemstone is back and in search of new talent across the board. We are looking for the best actors, singers, models, and TV hosts for as long as you're above the age of 4. Our goal once again is to showcase your talented people who can launch your careers in this exciting business. So if you think you're what you are, a superstar, then make your way to President's Hotel at Main Mall, because this may be your once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. The cameras are rolling, the stage is set, the microphones and the lights are on. The judges are waiting for you. Are you ready to claim your 15 minutes of fame? Then make sure you get off that couch right now and make your way to President's Hotel at Main Mall. Auditions will be held every Saturday from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. That is every Saturday from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. However, the last auditions will be held on the 12th of November 2011, so make sure you don't miss out in this once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. Get ready to take center stage. Are you ready to become the next gemstone? Because New York is waiting for you. And I'm your girl, Gogontlejang, and I'll see you there.